All right, so welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to be looking into something pretty huge, the future of coding.
Yeah, it's a big one.
It is a big one, and we've got some fascinating sources for you today that explore just how fast this landscape is changing.
Yeah, and one thing that really stood out to me was this prediction by Mark Zuckerberg that AI will soon be writing most of the code.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
And, this isn't just about AI, helping out a bit. It's about like a complete shift in how we actually develop software.
Right, and that really makes you think, doesn't it? I mean, he's basically saying that like AI will be like the main software developer,
Right.
So like, what's the reason for that prediction? Is this just hype or is there something real behind it?
Well, it's all based on the amazing progress we've made in machine learning.
Mhm.
AI is getting so much smarter now.
Yeah.
AI systems can learn patterns and write code in ways we couldn't even imagine a few years ago.
Okay, that makes sense. But like, what does that mean for like a regular person? Could AI actually write the code for like an app or a website that I use every day?
Oh, absolutely. In fact, there are already AI tools out there that can create basic code for websites and simple apps.
Really?
Yeah, Zuckerberg's vision just takes it a step further. Like he sees AI being able to handle the entire development process from beginning to end, tackling really complex stuff for long stretches of time.
Wow, that's pretty mind-blowing.
Yeah.
I do have to ask though, if AI is writing most of the code, what happens to all the human programmers? I mean, are they all going to lose their jobs?
That's a great question. And honestly, it's something we really need to consider as we go through this change. But we have to remember that throughout history, new tech has always created new roles and new chances for people.
Right, so maybe human programmers won't be replaced, they'll just do different things.
Exactly. Instead of writing line by line of code, they might focus on bigger picture stuff like, designing the structure of a system, making sure the AI's code is top notch, and thinking about like the ethics of using AI to develop things.
So kind of like architects of software instead of builders.
Exactly. And just think about the possibilities if AI could take over those repetitive tasks. That would free up humans to do the creative stuff, the really innovative parts of software development.
Yeah, that's actually pretty exciting.
Yep.
Imagine how fast we could develop things if AI could handle all of that, and we could create new tech and solve complex problems much quicker.
And it's not just about speed. AI could write code that's more efficient, more secure, less buggy. It could revolutionize everything from healthcare to finance by making software systems that are way more reliable and robust.
So if AI is the one writing the code, what does that mean for someone like me who uses technology every day but isn't a programmer?
Well, it means you could see some really incredible innovations and apps that we wouldn't have even dreamed of before. Imagine talking to AI agents that totally get your needs and what you like, giving you personalized experiences that are perfectly suited to you.
That sounds like something out of science fiction.
Yeah.
But it also makes me think, if AI is making so many choices in the software we use, how can we be sure it's making ethical and responsible choices?
Yeah, that's a huge question. As AI starts playing a bigger role in coding, we need to make sure we have really strong systems in place for transparency, accountability, and making sure those AI decisions are ethical.
Right. So it seems like the future of coding isn't just about AI writing code. It's about finding the right balance between human control and AI abilities.
Exactly. It's about using the power of AI in a smart way, making sure humans are still calling the shots and guiding its development so it benefits everyone.
Well, this has definitely given me a lot to think about. So as we finish up our deep dive, here's a final thought for you. If AI is the one writing the code that shapes our digital world, what role will you play in shaping the future of tech? Will you be the architect, the one making sure things are ethical? Or just a curious user exploring this new world? Whatever your role, it's clear that the future of coding is going to be pretty amazing.
Yeah, it really is an exciting time.
It is.
And so much to come.
So much to come.
Yeah.
All right, that's it for a deep dive today.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Yeah, thanks for listening.
See you next time.
See ya.